So I was with them all week.
Yeah, Nikita. We've met multiple times. That's all right.
With the Casey hangs on the bower with the bobber. Yeah, right. I'm like a squiggly worm on the top.
Right. I am actually.
What's your name, Joe? Crazy. Live from Starling.
It was good.
You're gonna send your
Yesterday, just
yeah, the same.
I am.
Here, but
So which one did you do?
yeah. It was in the. I had never.
I thought it was cool.
So like,
Yeah, but
it was nice coming here.
I was gonna
like the White House staff, like
You can try.
does not do
Okay.
very well. Putting him in positions where we could make.
That's the thought.
Why would you put him in this position over there? We can't even see the camera. Like,
My live is up. They're trying to connect me, okay?
Yeah, no, everything is.
It's okay.
Is that what it was?
No.
So, but yeah, no, overall, I mean, it was a.
It was good.
Right.
This is me and yours.
Yeah.
Certainly.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just. Yes, go ahead. Yep.
But yeah, overall, it's like.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Tom.
Are you still hearing yourself? Are you okay?
Yes.
Can you give me another mic check?
Correct.
Well, I'm muted to the room right now.
Yeah,
So
I'll do the mic check.
yeah.
I'll do the mic check.
Check 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check for the podium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Coming to you live from DOJ. 1, 2. Check, check, check. Everybody happy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's on the phone.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, check 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check. Okay.
Okay, so we're good?
Thank you, gentlemen.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to take this photo from here. See how it goes. I'll probably.
Sorry?
At least I could say I
Actually, I'm
tried.
gonna ask you guys not to be on this side, because in case we're going back and forth between the control room.
No, I just want to make sure we're up and you see me fine.
It's gonna be on that side. I'm gonna have to move this all over. Probably
We can't shoot from here at all. What's
Now,
your shot?
in fact, all those ropes, all
Display,
those
so I can
lines
see if
used to
you're-
cover this, but now we have to try the teleprompter. We're trying to keep everybody out of the way of the AG's teleprompter, so you can't use this side. Normally, you never would be able to use this side.
That would be my shot right here.
Why just, okay.
I'll
So
see the flag and the
usually-
podium. All right.
Yeah, never. I work here.
I get it.
Yeah.
Yep, that's me.
How can we find a way to guess on this? I'm along the wall.
Right here, we need to
Okay.
keep this clear so that way we can actually go.
Yeah, Lana,
between
they have me on live
control
here.
room and the audio booth in case we need something.
So I could shoot from that chair.
Um,
Because someone, say I was
You can-
sitting in that chair.
You can shoot from here,
Okay.
do not block this narrow, all this is new.
Okay.
And so all of this needs to be a path.
Sure.
To be able to get through. It's just for us,
Certainly.
for the hassle.
I mean, I have no intention of being able to design this for this.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And I won't even come back with this.
Usually, like I said, all those used to be here blocked off.
Is there any AC power?
The only AC power we have down in that corner. Actually, let me see if I have backstage at one moment. Here, you have the cable right here?
Yeah, I can hear one.
I've got it right here.
Beautiful, thank you.
Kenny, you're gonna go back there for the walkout.
Yeah, it's the whole.
Kenny's
back
causing
rest
problems.
forward.
What are you doing over
I
there?
told you, Mr. Nice Guy.
I'm trying to shake things up, guys.
I know you're hiding something with that nice guy routine.
Okay,
The sad thing is, I'll stand over here and try to make that picture and I won't make it.
It won't work,
And then it'll
and
be
nobody's
worse.
gonna walk by, so no picture, nobody's walking by you. It's like a real problem.
Tom's taking a crucial reporter's
Tom, what do you, no, that's for, you can't be, you're too close to the Teflon strap there.
You touch the strap.
Yeah.
Just drop it off.
I can't wait till Jim or Jim record out of that. All right, you're patched in.
Thank you very much, appreciate you.
We're
can't believe you trusted us two to go back there.
Right, but good thing.
This was on Monday, no way you guys would be around. He's in a good mood today. Look over here.
This is his first time here.
This is my second year, like 5 years. I feel like I'm on vacation.
Thank you.
You put shorts on earlier.
You did?
You got shamed and put pants on.
You did really?
These are like I like went to the grocery store, stake out there for a while, now I'm here.
You stepped out the grocery store.
Oh, okay. No, I just stopped by the grocery store, I had to get some.
But, around there. Yeah.
So nobody got their lawyers yet?
Yeah, and that's only a third. Like,
Did anybody get the lawyers there?
no. Well, maybe, but no, it wasn't. No,
For instance, what you're saying.
Yes.
Anywhere else?
Yeah,
I don't remember where it was.
We came down to the scooters. So nobody got their lawyers.
Parkside.
Yeah. Francis was the last one to come over, and I'm like, you'd have the exclusive if you're over there. He said, yeah, but everybody's over there.
Yeah. They're gonna do it. Like, the phrase where you have to wait till you bend down.
Merrick Garland's always on top of him. But you don't think it's him?
No.
Because somebody apparently somebody rewired the racks here and we can't swap. Separate.
Mm-hmm.
When there's not enough time to try and figure out what the problem is. I'm just talking to you,
Sure, if you just want to get
Probably. You got no idea what Andy.
Door. You don't need security.
Were you using it?
No, but it's happened, it's actually happened twice.
Guard doors, I was wondering, unit doors, one was open.
Yeah. They don't like chain anything.
Next week, that's what we. Yeah, no, he always does this. Process. He was a good.
So you guys are having a live shot or no? Who's
You're
having?
fine.
Who
I'm
had
scared.
on?
You're fine. You know, talk to him though, you know.
no live shot. Do you have a lot of 81? Let's go ahead and let's just no desk, just this to that. Plug in the big light unit. We can get that up. Use your signals for kind of all the small light. So you don't want to mess up the small light. So basically we want two light users at a time. Get that one started. Yeah, keep the small
Yeah, nobody's talking on the mic.
Yeah, no one's talking. Let me
Just
make
wanna
sure
go
you get.
sit here, but just not-
Testing, testing. Can you hear that?
Hold on.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Um, yeah.
I am.
How are you? Pleasure in
Sounds
Chicago.
good. Thank you.
I wish I had
Appreciate you.
eaten lunch.
Yeah, still up. Yes, correct. Thank you.
Are we gonna get it too?
Yep. Hey, so I don't get any self-service up here. So I'm just gonna call you, or actually, you know what, can we just turn into this so that you can just push it when you see it happening? Or I'll just call you, or, okay, you know what? I'll just call you. As soon as he starts talking, I will call you, okay? And I'm gonna put it on speaker.
Is that 1 minute?
We got a 2-minute warning?
We will give you a 2-minute
We
warning.
will.
Yes.
Okay. No 2 minutes, no 2 minutes yet. Stand by.
Sorry, we were communicating about who will get the 2-minute warning.
Stand by.
Hey, just make sure
We're
that
not at 2 minutes yet.
they want this.
Understood.
See ya.
Yeah, I've been yeah, I just tried to send a mail, but I'm not getting even not getting any reception, so it's inverted until I space. Yeah. Royce asked to be, given special counsel status earlier this week, and it's great. I don't know why it's not going through, I don't know why it's. Okay, you get it out, okay, great.
Good afternoon. This is your 2-minute warning.
2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes.
Hey, what remote is the other one on? Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. I'm here today to announce the appointment of David Weiss as a special counsel, consistent with the Department of Justice regulations governing such matters. In keeping with those regulations, I have today notified the designated members of each House of Congress of the appointment. In February 2018, after being nominated by the former president and confirmed by the Senate, Mr. Weiss was sworn in as the United States Attorney for the District of Delaware. Mr. Weiss had been a career prosecutor, having served previously in the office for more than a decade. Beginning in 2019, Mr. Weiss, in his capacity as U.S. Attorney and along with federal law enforcement partners, began investigating allegations of certain criminal conduct by, among others, Robert Hunter Biden. That investigation has been recently referenced in federal criminal proceedings in the District of Delaware, and as noted in those proceedings and other public statements by Mr. Weiss's office, that investigation remains ongoing. In February 2021, U.S. Attorney Weiss was asked to remain as U.S. Attorney for the District of Delaware and, in that capacity, to continue to lead the investigation. As I said before, Mr. Weiss would be permitted to continue his investigation, take any investigative steps he wanted, and make the decision whether to prosecute in any district. Mr. Weiss has told Congress that he has been granted ultimate authority over this matter, including the responsibility for deciding where, when, and whether to file charges, and for making decisions necessary to preserve the integrity of any prosecution consistent with federal law, the principles of federal prosecution, and departmental policies. In a July 2023 letter to Congress, Mr. Weiss said that he had not to that point requested special counsel designation. On Tuesday of this week, Mr. Weiss advised me that in his judgment, his investigation had reached a stage at which he should continue his work as a special counsel, and he asked to be so appointed. Upon considering his request, as well as the extraordinary circumstances relating to this matter, I have concluded that it is in the public interest to appoint him as special counsel. This appointment confirms my commitment to provide Mr. Weiss all the resources he requests. It also reaffirms that Mr. Weiss has the authority he needs to conduct a thorough investigation and to continue to take the steps he deems appropriate independently, based only on the facts and the law. Mr. Weiss will also continue to serve as U.S. Attorney for the District of Delaware. As special counsel, he will continue to have the authority and responsibility that he has previously exercised to oversee the investigation and decide where, when, and whether to file charges. The special counsel will not be subject to the day-to-day supervision of any official of the department, but he must comply with the regulations, procedures, and policies of the department. Consistent with the special counsel regulations, at the conclusion of Mr. Weiss's work, he will provide me with a report explaining the prosecution or declination decisions reached by him. As with each special counsel who has served since I have taken office, I am committed to making as much of his report public as possible, consistent with legal requirements and department policy. Today's announcement affords the prosecutors, agents, and analysts working on this matter the ability to proceed with their work expeditiously and to make decisions indisputably guided only by the facts and the law. The men and women undertaking this investigation are public servants who have dedicated their careers to protecting the citizens of this country. The appointment of Mr. Weiss reinforces for the American people the department's commitment to both independence and accountability in particularly sensitive matters. I am confident that Mr. Weiss will carry out his responsibility in an even-handed and urgent manner and in accordance with the highest traditions of this department. Thank you.
If U.S. Attorney Weiss had the authorities he
What restrictions
needed,
would there
why
be
does
on
he
the
need to be a special
publication of the
counsel?
report?
Do you still have faith in U.S. Attorney Weiss after the deal fell apart?